Hello everybody, for today's DIY woven coasters, let's continue our project. Congratulations friend, you just attached all of the threads to the cardboard. Now, let's prepare your straw. Cut the straw into the size of your cardboard friends. And then just put your thread inside the straw. We will use the straw as a needle today friends. Make sure that the thread that you are using are not too long, friends. Now, let's start weaving with Miss Nova. First, just look at the pictures that Miss Nova prepared for us. Get your straw and thread ready and make sure that the thread is not too long, friends. Now, let's follow Miss Nova on how to weave. Good luck, friends. Try your best to weave. Here is a photo when you finished one line of weave. Now let's attach your thread again and continue weaving the back side. Hooray friends! Congratulations if you already finished one line of weaving. Now please continue again. Okay friends, now please continue weaving and make as much as weaving as you can, and then share your work to Miss Shirley so I can send your work to Miss Nova so she could help you with the next step. Good luck friends!